day 3 of the Big Bass Challenge. Yesterday we had a $1,000 fish. My partner caught a 5.78. You'll see it on the video when I get it all spliced together. Great fish, absolutely great fish. Had 3 other weigh-ins yesterday, all in the 3-pound range. Just a great day. All of them came on jerkbait. Most of them came on a Tennessee shad jerkbait. Jerkbait.
Let's see. Buddy, you called it. Boom! 578, new leader for the hour. Could be worth $1,000.